Now students of 8th standard, let us start exercise 11.1. A square and a rectangular field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Equal perimeter. The figures are having equal perimeter. Which field has a larger area? So we have to calculate the larger area. So let us start the first question. Okay. Now see in the question number 1. First we will write given. What is given? The side of square you can see 60 meter is given. Length of rectangle 80 meter and perimeter of rectangle equal to perimeter of square. But we know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle 2 in the bracket L plus B is equal to perimeter of square 4 into side. Here you can see out of the bracket 2 is there. And between 2 and this bracket multiplication sign, and opposite of multiplication is always divide. So we can write L plus B is equal to 4 upon 2 side. Okay. So L in the rectangle, 80 is given plus B equal to 2 and side of a square 60. 62 is 120 between plus sign. So before it minus sign here. Opposite of equal. So 120 minus 80 is 40 meter. So the breadth of rectangle you got 40 meter. Now for calculating the area, for finding the area, we know the area of rectangle is formula length into breadth. That's why we have did this. So with the help of this we got breadth. So now you can apply the formula and calculate length into breadth 80 into 40. Okay. And area of a square 60 into 60 and compare, and you can easily calculate and compare the area. Okay. Now second question. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with a measurement is shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot. You can see square plot. Side 25 meter. Okay. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. You can see the middle of the plot. And the length of this plot of house is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. Okay. A garden is developed around the house. You can see garden. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per square meter or per meter square. Okay. First we will calculate the area of square plot, then we will calculate the area of house, then this we will subtract area of house from the area of plot. So we will get the area of garden and then we will calculate the total price. Okay, so let us start. Now see in the question number 2, given side of a square plot is equal to 25 meter from the figure. Length of middle plot for house is equal to 20 meter and breadth of plot 15 meter, and the cost of per meter square is rupees 55. So with the help of this what we will do? Area of a square is equal to side into side. The formula is, you can see, side into side you will write here. I have no space, that's why I have not written. So side is 25, 25 into 25, that means 625 meter square. And area of middle plot for house is equal to length into breadth. You can see from the figure length and breadth. So 300 meter square. Now after that what we will do? We will subtract area for calculating the area of garden. We will subtract area of house from area of square plot. Now see, area of garden is equal to area of a square plot minus area of house. Area of a square plot 625 minus 300, so 325 meters square. To develop the garden, the cost of 1 meter square area is equal to rupees 55. So to develop the garden, the cost of 325 meter square area is equal to 325 into 55. Children, most probably what you will do, you never show the method of multiplication. Always show. Don't do this in rough work. Inside you have to show. And you can see here, so the total cost in the statement form you will write. So the total cost of the total cost to develop the garden around the house is rupees 17,875. Okay.